Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me now, man? Yo, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect. You know it go already, you know, when me aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. What? You know a loud explosion, right? You know the most electrify, man. Watch me now, man. And watch how things get really electrified now. Poor people in a Jamaica, what me I tell you about the system? Let me tell you something, you know. The system set away, you know. But we, you know, we don't have to go after that, you know. We don't have to live that way because we have choices. So it's either you want to run in the system or you walk away from the system. Because imagine, poor people there in Jamaica, my virgin, Zin, and here we are going. Buju Banton come down now, you know, and spend 8 years and thing, you know, in a prison in America and come down. The man have no record, criminal record of Jamaica, you know. And the man keep the long walk to freedom concert at stadium. The thing shell way, hotter than we hell, is in. And Buju Banton decide to walk the street and give some homeless people food. You see me, and me the writer say in America, you know, every day I see that go on the train. Homeless people come on the train and them ball say them homeless and them want something to eat and whatever. People give them food and money and everything. And nobody know, me not say argue about it. You see me, people go as far as go all in them bag and take out them lunch. Where them a bring go to work and give them and still give them money. And nobody knock up no coffee no dash way. Buju Banton come and feed the homeless now. All of a sudden, you hear authority come out of Jamaica. Them no want nobody, and them a want off people properly. Them no want nobody go feed no homeless people on the road. Instead, the people them must come to them. What the fuck? Yo, so all of them people there. Where Buju Banton did I give food? Nobody never, when Buju Banton give them food, we never see nobody else down there. I walk and I serve them no food yet. And we not see nobody at all video them type of people who claim say them are the authority who go on and feed them poor people. Because if it did happen, you must see them thing they on video because everybody as a thing a go on, everybody a back out them phone. You understand me? Someone know what kind of either thing this. Yo, poor people, you know, go a town, you know, for hustle them money and them a sell them goods on the sidewalk and all them stuff there. And then bring in metropolitan, you know, for take away the people them goods, you know, from them, you know. And then the people them have to pay one bag of money to get back them goods. And sometimes it's not the same goods where the boy them take away. The people them get back them thief out all the people them goods and all them stuff there. You know. But just show you every way how the man them have been nickel the people them, you know. And them now have nowhere to put them, you know. And when the people them evil do, you know, go to the big arcade, you know, the man them burn it down, you know, you know. Flat with all the people, them goods and all them things there night, you know, all them things they are total wickedness in my virgin. How much more the people them have to suffer for realize right now, we don't want somebody different who are going to try with my virgin. Because this PMP and GLP thing, it now gone over my virgin. A long time, a years now. You know what I mean? We can't so backward and stubborn in a nonsense, my virgin. Because if the man them not go on and take care of the people them, you see what I deal with? And when somebody pass through and bless up the people them, this is how it go turn out to. Or is it just because of the likes of Buju Banton do it? And when you see a prison I come from and the whole and the people them still love him. And him have this big high demand where I travel around with. And it come like not like that. My virgin, but remember Buju Banton is a superstar. Buju Banton is a reggae artist, my virgin. Una a politician, una go bigger than him. Una go bigger than him in a country, my virgin. Remember him is a superstar all over the world, him go dog. People are going to know him and love him everywhere, man. For where him do, man, him music and them stuff, them, my virgin. Come on, man, I hear that thing, them there. So who I go look upon the poor people, them now? Eh? Who I go look upon the poor? Cause Una say, no, the man them supposed to come to Una and deal with Una, you know. Do Una go out and look for the people, them? Una have no place all out of Bellevue and them thing there. And Una now walk and go look for the people, them. So if nobody not turn up, them now go get no food. Or who they go get food, you understand me? So when the man them walk and search to the man them and give the people them food, you know, I remember saying sick people you deal with, you know. How much of them are going to know so well then? Yeah, them for come out of Bellevue. And all when him know that him never want to go out there, so. Because yes, I'm base. You know what I mean? I so sick people we mentally in them brain. If him think I yassa embrace, you can't move him from yassa every day him the right so. So what you talk about? A lollipop thing them they will not go on with. You see what I deal with? How can you not take food out of the people them and like that? You know what I mean? Because of what? True what? Because Buju Banton go down there go feed them. I can't believe this. And what wanna have in place? You don't have nothing in place because the system there all long. You don't go like say when Buju Banton come the system there in. Look how long the system there in. Before even Buju Banton even go to prison, a long time the system there but. Me know that. You know what I mean? A long time the system there but all long of Bellevue and them place there. Years. You know what I mean? And nobody never walk and feed the people them. But as Buju Banton come and do it and the big highlight with upon him, you have to have some people get up in them feelings. Them never do it, you know. And them not get no glory feet. The thing shot on social media and go viral. And people get up in them feelings and I come up with a restriction on it. How can you restrict somebody from help somebody? So you can restrict man from help somebody. Alright. Alright. Now show now how unfair it is, you know. So I'm to when the dads them, the man them will call themselves dads, Dan, top man, superstar. You see me? Road mall and them thing that pass through Africa downtown. And the youth them run up on them in the stop traffic. And the man them pop off and give the youth them beer money. Oh, me not hear on say una go stop that and una go find money and give the youth them. Eh? Oh, me not hear on say una go take the youth them off of the street side where I wipe the car glass them forget a change. Oh, me not hear on say una go take them youth off of the street side and help them. And put them in a facility where them can make money and have shelter. Oh, me not hear now say them thing there. And them youth they not mad. Them youth they not crazy, you know. Them not no mental problem, you know. I just physical homeless, them homeless, you know. And them have to fend for themselves, you know, physically, you know. Because them not nobody for fend for them, you know. Oh, me not hear nobody come out and say, alright, we are going to take them youth off of the street and we are put them in a facility and we are going to deal with them nice and make them can make something of themselves. Oh, me not hear no come out and say that. But man, I give the homeless people them look of food and people have a big problem with that. Yo, it's a fuck up society, my brethren. People, yo, me telling you something, you know, the system set certain way, you know, but as me I say, you know, we, you know, a long time people live like this, you know, we get up and move a different way. We don't have to move the way how the system set for my virgin. A real talk me I make. We don't have to move the way how the system set for it. As man do something, a bag of grab and dies and Albasha come down. As man, where they there for man? Where they there for man? As a man do something. You know what I mean? Any poor ghetto you get up and do something. You always have this big controversy and this big fool thing about it. So who did go on and not do it? Who did I do it? Oh, it becomes a problem now. So it's a problem if I feel like, say, I have too much money in my pocket and I want to buy two food for two look man when I sip on the road and I think, so well then, them look man, they look like them hungry and them would want that thing. So it's a problem for a man, help out a brethren, or help out even couple people where homeless and sick. Oh, that for be a problem. Come on, man, I don't even know, you know. Me don't even know if you see it, you know. All me see, you know, a conspiracy against Buju Banton just because a Buju Banton come and do that and get the highlight off it and the love from the people, them, you know. Because shit go viral, you know, and things shell away, you know. You know what I mean? And the people them a give Buju Banton back the respect and the love, you know. You know what I mean? Me don't know if I that, you know. Me see bad mind chip in, you know, because all of this thing, you that go on a long time and you never hear nothing come out. You never hear nobody come out, no official come out, no government business, no system come out and a label up them thing there, you know. You never hear, you know. But just go on, see what go on, you know. So who are going to help the people them? Because more know, nobody never do it, you know. Them have system, so them have system in play. But the system go as far as so much. Them have forgot to the system. How much of them the system are going to walk and look for? You know what I mean? Look how much of them out there. The system are walk and look for them. What kind of problem this you know want to create? John one, I don't know, you know, the general, the 10-star one, I don't know, you know. Every time I come in and drop necessary equipment, you know a load explosion. You know the 10-star one and a 10-star way. What? General Buju Banton. World class. Watch.